The death toll from the Maui wildfires continues to climb. 96 people lost their lives tonight. A local man who grew up in Lahaina is pleading for help as his family and friends who lost everything attempt to rebuild their lives. KPRC 2's Andy Sirota live in the newsroom with how Houstonians can take action and help. Andy?
Daniela Edson Crispin lives in Houston now, but says Lahaina will forever be his home. He's now trying to raise money to help his aunt, uncle, cousins, and friends who are in desperate need of basic necessities in the wake of those deadly wildfires.
It is the deadliest wildfire in modern U.S. history, leaving Maui's historic Lahaina town in ruins. The devastation worse than anyone could have imagined.
From what I hear, it was instant, literally. Some people didn't even, there was no warning, nothing, just instant.
Edson Crispin grew up in Lahaina and is trying to help his family there by raising money. That's his cousin Isaac on the left, his uncle Pablo, and cousins Pablo Jr. and Ivan. Their neighborhood in Lahaina was swallowed by the flames. Nothing left but smoldering remains. The red circle marks the spot where their house once stood.
They're still in survival mode. They haven't really had time to grieve or process like everything that's, that just happened.
While communications have been a challenge, Crispin talked to them Sunday night as they are now staying with friends. He says it is such a struggle right now for survivors in need of critical supplies, and will be for quite some time.
They need fuel, they need clothes, they need food.
Crispin says all he has left are memories of the places he held close to his heart, like the popular Front Street, which traces its roots to the 1700s and was on the National Register of Historic Places.
It wiped out all Front Street, and that's where I grew up, so it's unbelievable to me to even process like that all Lahaina got wiped out. That's insane.
The community now coming together to help one another through this crisis.
Maui's definitely strong. Maui's strong. I'm sure they're going to come back, but they need our help.
If you'd like to support the Galindo family and all of those who've been impacted by the wildfires on Maui, we have donation pages and resources. It is all right there for you on click2houston.com. Live in the newsroom tonight, Andy Sirota, KPRC 2 News.
Those pictures there are just so sad to see. Goodness. Andy, thank you, sir.